Don't waste your time on me, you're already the voice inside my head. Miss you. Don't waste your time on me, you're already the voice inside my head. Don't waste your time on me, you're already the voice inside my head. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. This is Wes Guitar Lessons. I'm trying to teach you guys a specific way to play this awesome I Miss You song by Blink-182. It was popular back in the day. Nine on me chillin'. I apologize, I may have failed you. I don't know if I can totally figure out the way that this guy is playing it. So just so you guys have a little backstory, one of my subscribers on the channel, and please hit like and subscribe, had requested that I teach him how to play it a very specific way that someone else was playing it, and I can't totally figure it out. So I've done something, and especially for the skill level that I know a lot of you guys are at, where you're like newer, less than a year and stuff, I think it would be pretty hard to play anyway. From the picking that I can see. So I found this way that's pretty awesome and very easy to play. So this is like a super easy way to play it. So you can basically leave your fingers in the same anchor the whole time. Okay. So please hit like and subscribe. Let me know if you guys have questions in the comments. And nine on me chillin'. Please let me know if this is at least okay. I'm sorry that it's taken me so long and that I haven't gotten it exactly right. So the way you're gonna do this song is you're gonna start with G. And I think it's best use this G for sure, okay? Because you're gonna want your two pinkies down there. You're gonna have a capo on the 4th fret and it's in standard tuning, okay? So you're gonna do G. Okay, then you're gonna lift those up, those two. So you're gonna keep these two on here the entire song, okay? The ring and the pinky are gonna be on the 3rd fret in relation to the capo, the whole song, okay? And then so after G, then you're gonna lift those up. You can put either your pointer or ring, or middle finger. I put my middle finger, all right? It's gonna go on the 2nd fret on the G string. Okay, so you're gonna do G. Okay, and then we're gonna call this D suspended 4. You don't have to mute the big E string. Okay, and then you're gonna play E minor, but you're gonna keep those the pinky and ring on there, okay? So E minor, just like that. And then what you're gonna do, so you're gonna go back to D suspended 4, but we're gonna call this D suspended 4 over F sharp, okay? So you're gonna put, your middle finger is gonna go where it was on D suspended 4, but then for the F sharp, you're gonna put your pointer finger on the 2nd fret on the big E string. And you want it to be touching the A string so it mutes it. Okay, so the strumming pattern that I'm playing for this, and the chorus is not the same, so stay with me till the end, okay? So you're gonna you're gonna do G, and watch the strumming pattern for this, okay? Down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, okay? And then the D suspended 4, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, okay? Then E minor, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, and then the D suspended 4 over F sharp, okay? Down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So just to walk you through that really slowly, it's gonna be down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so now a little faster. Changes. Hello there. Okay, so then when you go to that G, so I would play it 3 times. You can do it 2, whatever, 4, but you're gonna want to play it a couple times without lyrics and then go into it. So you're gonna play G, D suspended 4, E minor, and then D suspended 4 over F sharp, okay? And there's completely different chords and everything for the chorus and strumming pattern, okay? So you're gonna start with, on Hello There is G. Hello there. Angel is D suspended 4, angel from my nightmare, Shadow, shadow is E minor. Shadow in the background of the morgue. Morgue is D suspended 4 over F sharp. Morgue, the unsuspecting victim. Okay, the very beginning of victim, or victim is how he says it, but victim is where you're gonna do G. Victim. Darkness, darkness is D suspended 4. Darkness in the valley. Live, okay, we can live. Live is E minor. Live like Jack and Sally if we want. Want is D suspended 4 over F sharp. Want, you can always find me. So find is G. Find me. We'll have Halloween. Halloween is D suspended 4. Halloween on Christmas. You and in. So in is E minor. In the night, we wish this never ends. Ends is D suspended 4 over F sharp. Ends, wish this never ends. Okay? I would actually just hang on G at the end of that, which never ends. Okay? So then what you're going to do is, and if you don't want to, you can play the chorus here, but without the lyrics. I wouldn't. I would actually stick with it this way, but you know, just do what you like best, okay? So then you go to the second verse. Where are you? I'm so sorry. Okay, so you go to the second verse. Now, for the chorus, the way that you're going to play this is going to be similar but different. So you're going to play G, okay? Then what you're also going to play is A7. Okay, we're going to call it A7 suspended 4, all right? So G, and then you're going to keep your ring and pinky on, all right? You can put either your middle finger or your pointer finger. I put my pointer finger on. You're going to put on the 2nd fret, all right, on the D string. Okay? And then we're going to call this E minor 7. I don't think that's what it's actually called, but we're going to call it that. I just don't know what to call it. So then you're going to take off your pointer off of the 2nd fret on the D string, and you're going to put it on the 2nd fret on the A string, okay? And then go to D suspended 4. Okay? Then next, you're going to do C add 9. So then you'll take it off. So you take that off, and you're going to put middle finger there. So middle finger goes on the 3rd fret on the A string, and your pointer finger goes on the 2nd fret on the D string. Don't wait. So the strumming pattern for this is different. You're going to do down, down, up, down, up, down, up, 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 down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay? That always takes the breath out of me. So to do it slower, so you can see the end of it is how you do the verses, but the beginning of it is not. So you can do down, down, up, down, up, down, up, 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 down, 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 up. Okay, so then when you get to C add 9, that's where you're going to do down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay? But the rest of it is just down, down, up, down, up, down, up, 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 down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay? So let's walk you through that a little bit more. So you're going to do G is don't. Don't waste your time. Time is going to be A7 suspended 4, so that's where you put your pointer finger on the 2nd fret on the D string. Your time on me. Me is E minor 7. Me, you're all ready. Ready is D suspended 4. Ready, ready. The voice is C add 9. Voice inside my head. Don't waste your time on me. Okay, so you do G, A7 suspended 4, E minor 7, D suspended 4, C add 9. And you're just going to repeat that. Don't wait. Okay, so you just repeat that. So I'm going to walk you through one verse. All right, I'm going to walk you through the first verse. I'm going to walk you through the chorus. Just watch me play it, really, is how I'm going to do this here. Hello there, the angel from my nightmare, shadow in the background of the morgue, the unsuspecting victim of darkness in the valley. We can live like Jack and Sally if we want. you? Okay, so then you can go into the second part. You can sing it either way. I wanted it to be similar to what you were asking for so that you can at least sing it in the same way that he does on that cover. Where are you? I'm so sorry. Cannot sleep, cannot dream tonight. I need somebody and always. This sick, strange darkness comes creeping on, so haunting every time. As I stared, I counted webs from all the spiders, catching things and eating their insides. Indecision to call you, I hear your voice of treason. Will you come home and stop this pain tonight? Stop this pain tonight. Okay, and what you could do then is that when you do tonight, you could do what I just did and stop, and then do don't waste. But if you want to do it like they do on the album, you're just going to be going right into it. Tonight, don't waste. Okay, so you can sing it higher or lower. Don't waste your time on me. You're already the voice inside my head. Don't waste your time on me. You're already the voice. Sorry, I messed that up. Voice inside my head. Don't waste your time on me. You're already the voice inside my head. Anyway, that's my way of playing it. I hope you guys like it. I hope it's enough. Let me know if you guys have other requests. Thanks for watching. See ya.